I play train track.
You're playing train tracks?
Yep.
Show me, where does the train go?
There.
What's that?
A mountain.
Oh my gosh, show me how it goes up the big, big mountain.
Okay. Let's go under the mountain. Let's go under the mountain. Way up here.
And is anybody scared?
Yep.
What's happening?
That man scared those spiders. See that? Spider webs.
Spider webs, oh my.
Because we look this mountain, it go down. Oh, we messed up. The train! Yay, more! Yay.
What happened? What happened?
The train here. Come. Let's go. Okay, man. The train's here. That's number 1, number 4, number 3. Woo! Number 7.
What is it? Nathaniel, what does the train say?
Choo-choo.
And are you the conductor or are you a passenger?
A passenger.
You're a passenger. Which car are you in? Which window's Nathaniel's window? On the train.
That one?
That one. Goodbye, passenger Nathaniel. Have a safe trip.
Okay.
All aboard.